Hello everyone, myself Srimanya, studying in 10th standard. Today I am going to explain about ecological pyramids. We have learned about different food chains and food webs. We saw different organisms in an ecosystem are dependent on one another for their food. If we try to represent these feeding relation in a graphical way, yes, the graphic representation of the feeding level structure of an ecosystem by taking the shape of a pyramid is called ecological pyramid. It was first introduced by a British ecologist Charles Elton in 1927. In the ecological pyramid, the producers are represented at the base and the successive trophic levels are represented one above the other with top carnivores at the tip. There are three types of pyramids: pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, and pyramid of energy. Pyramid of number. Pyramid of number is a graphical representation designed to show the number of organisms at each trophic level in a given ecosystem. The shape of this pyramid varies from ecosystem to ecosystem. In aquatic and grassland ecosystems, numerous small autotrophs support lesser herbivores which support further small number of carnivores, and hence the pyramid structure is upright. In parasitic food chain, one primary producer supports numerous parasites which support still more hyperparasites. Hence the pyramid structure is inverted. Pyramid of biomass. Pyramid of biomass is a graphical representation designed to show the quantity of living matter biomass at each trophic level in a given ecosystem. In terrestrial ecosystem, the biomass progressively decreases from producers to top carnivores. The pyramid structure is upright. In an aquatic ecosystem, the biomass of phytoplankton producers is quietly negligible as compared to that of crustaceans and small herbivorous fish that feed on these producers. The biomass of large carnivorous fish living on small fishes is still greater. This makes the pyramid of biomass inverted. Pyramid of energy. Pyramid of energy is a graphical representation designed to show the quantity of energy present at each trophic level in a given ecosystem. It represents the available energy at each trophic level in the food chain. This pyramid is always upright as only 10% of energy from one level is transferring to the next level. Thank you.
If you need like this important matters, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon and like and share it. Thank you all.